Blackbox AI tutorial. How to use Blackbox AI. Want to code faster with AI? Here's how to use Blackbox AI to generate, debug, and optimize code. So, first, go ahead and open up VS Code. So, make sure you download VS Code, and on VS Code, make sure to install Blackbox from your extensions. So go ahead and search for Blackbox on the extensions and then click on the install button to install it. You can also use the web app or mobile app if you prefer. Now click the AI agent icon in VS Code and log in with your Blackbox AI account. This unlocks features. Now type a natural language prompt like write a Python function to sort numbers. Blockbox AI instantly generates working code. Paste buggy code into the editor and ask Blockbox to debug or refactor it. The AI suggests fixes and improvements. Use Blackbox AI to generate documentation or optimize performance. It makes your code cleaner and easier to maintain. The VS Code extension is the easiest way to start. Use Blockbox AI for small tasks first and then scale up for full projects. And that's how to use Blockbox AI.